Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today I will creating a vibrant geometric logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double-clicks on the artboard tool. In the tool menu, check mark on show center mark in display section. Then press OK. Select polygon tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Write radius as 50 pixels and sides as 5. Press OK. Again, hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Write radius as 34 pixels and sides as 3. Press OK. Hold the Shift key and align it to bottom of the polygon. Select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Left click on bottom right anchor point of the triangle. Rotate it 60 degrees. Hold Alt key and left click on same anchor point. Press Copy button. Select both triangles and change its color. Select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right angle as 72 degrees and click on Copy. Press Ctrl+D key 3 times. Now change each triangle's color from the color palettes. For selection, hold Control key. You can also use your own color combination. Select all and go to Object menu and select Expand. Press OK. Now go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Select Magic Wand tool from tool menu. Select white color and press Delete key. Now it appears wonderful. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.